What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about ladder life insurance. Ladder Life Insurance is a digital provider specializing in term life insurance, offering flexible coverage options that can be adjusted as financial needs change. With a straightforward online application process and no medical exams required for policies under $3 million, Ladder makes securing affordable life insurance convenient and accessible for individuals aged 20 to 60. Now, let's talk about some of its top benefits. Simple steps. Ladder Life Insurance streamlines the application process into 3 easy steps, making it user-friendly. Prospective policyholders can quickly obtain quotes, complete their application online, and secure coverage without unnecessary complications. This efficiency not only saves time but also enhances the overall experience, allowing individuals to focus on their insurance needs rather than navigating a complex process. Flexible coverage. Laddering is a unique feature that allows policyholders to adjust their coverage accounts as their financial needs change. This flexibility means users can increase or decrease their coverage without incurring additional fees. By tailoring their policies to match life events or financial shifts, customers can ensure they are only paying for the coverage they truly need, optimizing their insurance investment. No medical exams. For policies under $3 million, Ladder Life Insurance eliminates the need for medical exams, simplifying the application process. This benefit is particularly appealing for younger individuals or those in good health who may want to avoid invasive procedures. By providing quick approval based on straightforward questionnaire, Ladder makes life insurance more accessible and less intimidating for potential customers. Trusted ratings. Ladder Life Insurance partners with highly rated insurers like Fidelity Security Life Insurance Company and Alliance Life Insurance Company, ensuring high underwriting ratings. These ratings reflect the financial strength and reliability of companies backing the policies. Customers can have peace of mind knowing that their life insurance is supported by reputable providers, which enhances trust and confidence in their coverage. Now let's discuss some drawbacks. Limited coverage options. Ladder Life Insurance exclusively offers term life insurance, which means it does not provide permanent life insurance options. This limitation can be a drawback for individuals seeking lifelong coverage or those who want to invest component associated with whole life policies. Customers may need to explore other providers for more comprehensive insurance solutions that include permanent option. Strict age requirements. Ladder's eligibility is restricted to applicants aged 20 to 60. This narrow age range can exclude many potential customers, particularly older adults who may still need life insurance coverage. Individuals outside this age bracket will have to seek alternative insurers that offer policies for a broader range of ages, limiting their options significantly. No customization options. Ladder Life Insurance does not offer policy riders or customization features, which can be a disadvantage for those looking for tailored solutions. Without the ability to add riders for critical illness or accidental death benefits, policyholders may find their coverage lacking in certain areas. This lack of flexibility might not meet the diverse needs of all consumers, prompting them to consider other insurers. In conclusion, Ladder Life Insurance offers a convenient, flexible approach to term life insurance, appealing to many consumers. However, its limitations in coverage options, strict age requirements, and lack of customization may not suit everyone. Prospective policyholders should carefully assess their needs and explore alternatives to find the best fit for their circumstances. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.